Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on sewing a cozy pullover. This timeless piece is both stylish and versatile. Let's get started. Before beginning, gather the supplies: a pattern, fabric, lining fabric, interfacing, matching thread, and buttons. Once everything is ready, let's dive into the first step. Cut the fabric according to the pattern, following the lines carefully for accuracy. Ensure notches are clipped as indicated, and trace all markings onto the fabric to guide the sewing process. Serge the edges of the front pocket. Fold the pocket seam inward and press to secure. Double stitch along the folded pocket openings. Align the pocket to the front piece and secure it with pins. Straight stitch to attach the pocket in place. Then top stitch along the bottom edge and corners. Align the front and back panels at the shoulder seams. Serge to join both seams, then press them flat. Serge the collar pieces together. Press the seam flat. Align the collar along the neckline. Serge to join it to the neckline. Align the placket pattern on the fabric and secure it with pins. Press the placket flat. Fold the top and bottom edges inward and press again. Fold the placket in half and press once more. Repeat these steps for the other placket. Align a placket along the neckline and straight stitch it in place, stopping at the marked end. Repeat for the other placket. Trim the neckline edges as needed. Fold each placket in half, aligning the seams and straight stitch along the edges. Turn the corners inside out. Trimming excess bulk if necessary. Top stitch along both plackets to join them together. Align the plackets, pulling the edges to the front side, and straight stitch along the edges. Finish by top stitching the placket end with a line and an X below it. Serge the inner edges of the placket. Serge the sleeve hems. Fold them inward and top stitch to secure. Repeat for the other sleeve. Press the hems flat. Align each sleeve with the armhole and serge to attach. Press the seams flat. Serge along the sleeve and side seams to join them. Repeat for the other side. Add a short stitch to secure the sleeve hems, and repeat for the other sleeve. Serge the hem, then fold the hem cuff in half. Align it with the pullover's hem and serge to join. Press the seam and switch to a compensating foot for top stitching along the joined seam. Straight stitch the brand label to the inner neckline. Using the placket pattern as a guide, mark the buttonhole placements on the placket. Switch to a buttonhole sewing foot and stitch the buttonholes as marked. Using the buttonholes as a guide, mark the button placements on the opposite placket. Align each button to the markings and hand stitch them in place. Repeat for all buttons. Then button up the pullover. Give the pullover a final press. And that's it! A stunning pullover is ready to wear. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects. See you in the next video.